जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 15th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Surya and Manu, all those great people have practiced karma yogam, having a desire to get moksham. They have a complete faith. They have full understanding that if the karma yogam is practiced, if the duties are performed without expecting results, that will definitely help us relieve from all kind of bondages, and that will wash off all the sins, and that will give us the moksham. They have this understanding. This understanding is known as jnanam. So having this jnanam, they all have performed karma yogam and they attained desired fruit, that is moksham. For Arjuna, if you also do the same, you would definitely get relieved from all kind of sins, from all kind of bondages, and if you practice the karma yogam, that will give you the moksham. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Arjuna and also saying that Arjuna, I told you that I gave this karma yogam, I taught this karma yogam to Manu Surya. That means by then this karma yogam, this science is existing. From when? From unknown time. That is why this is known as Puratanaha. So that much great karma yogam I am now teaching you. You should also start practicing this. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to practice karma yogam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, and while trying to put all Krishna Paramatma's teachings in our practice, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Evam jnatva krutam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmatvam purvaihi purvataram krutam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep working for you. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamruta sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham. Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogendra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing the Virat Purusha's divine body to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Rupanam Tejasam Chakshuhu Divaha Suryasya cha Akshini. All the shapes, all the forms, and the Tejas which is helping us to see the forms. Everything, Tejas and all the forms, they all situated in the place of eyes, the sensory organ of eyes of Virat Purusha. O Narada, Surya and its orbit, Surya's orbit, the place that Surya moves around, which is known as Dyulokam, all that is situated in the eyes, eyeballs of Paramapurusha. And now all the sides, all the places which are divine, which are known as Tirthas, all of them are situated in the ears of Paramapurusha. And Akasam, Shabdam, sound, that is situated in Paramapurusha's the sensory organ of eyes, which is known as Shrotrendriyam. And the touch and the wind, and for all the yajnas, all of them is situated in the skin place of Paramapurusha. O Narada, and all the trees which are coming out of the earth, situated in the hair of Paramapurusha. And the stones, metals, they are all situated in the nails of Paramapurusha, Nakhas. And the clouds lightening they all situated in again the hair of Paramapurusha, hair and beard of Paramapurusha. Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. These are three worlds. These three worlds are situated in the different postures of divine feet of Paramapurusha. And the Kshemam, Saranam, Sarvasukhas, all the pleasures are situated in the place of Paramapurusha's divine feet. Kshemam means whatever is gained is preserved. That is known as Kshemam. Saranam means whatever is disliked is thrown away. That is known as Saranam. So such Kshemam and Saranam is situated in the divine feet of Paramapurusha. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining to Narada about how all the things related to this Brahmandam is situated in the divine body of Virat Purusha. The same thing is communicated by Sri Sukha Yogendra to Parikshit Narendra. The same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He lokaha srunuta prasuti marana vyadhehe chikitsamimam yogajñāha samudaharanti munayo yam yajñavalkyaadayaha antarjyotihi ameyamekam amrutam krishnākhyamāpīyatām tatpītam paramaushadham vitanute nirvānamatyantikam. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishthati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 15th sloka. Evam jñātvā krutam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmātvam purvaihi purvataram krutam. Evam jñātvā krutam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmātvam purvaih purvataram krutam. Srimannārāyana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannārāyana.